is my DIY product that I'm going to use to feed my hair. So before we go into that, because it's frozen, so I'm just going to allow it to melt. So yeah, we're not yet to talk about that, but I'm going to show a video how I'm going to put it on my hair. So one thing I just want you to know, if you have fussy hair or you have virgin hair, and yeah, you know, if you have kids that is carrying fussy hair and you don't know how to take care of this actually one thing that you know, it's not that easy and it's not that difficult. The only thing that it needs is time, okay, patience. When you are detangling your fussy hair, like your natural hair, okay, so make sure you have enough product on it, because fussy hair it takes a lot of time to absorb products, because most time is dry. And I think there are different categories because everybody is not the same. So yeah, my type of hair might be different from the other person. So what I noticed from my hair, because actually my type of my hair my fussy hair is different from the one my daughters are carrying, okay? That is very light, but mine is a strong type, okay? So yeah, so what you want to do with your strong hair, your natural hair, and anytime you want to detangle it, especially when you just took out your braid or your coral, just like mine now, it is very dry, so you have to moisturize it. Make sure you moisturize it, and every product you're using, don't be stingy with them. Make sure you go in, like, make sure you moisturize your hair, okay? So, and after moisturizing, and you have what I said before, you have to have time, patience, okay? So you have to cut your hair out like this, and you can use your hairband or clip wherever. So I'm just going to show you a little bit of the tutorial, like how you're going to detangle your hair. Yeah, when you cut this like this amount out, and you want to go small, very small, just like this, a bit like this, okay? So you can go in there. You should first of all share out like this, and you also go in again and also split it out, okay? At this point, when you are creating a space, like, okay, like you look at that, your finger is passing through. This is what you want to do, okay? You make sure your finger are passing through your hair before you go in with your brush, okay? You don't just start brushing it out like this. Oh my God, I will just faint. I will faint. So anybody that is doing my hair knows I cry. Especially when I comb my hair. So you just have to have patience, okay? If you're like me and you want to detangle it yourself, okay, this is a tip for you, okay? So let me know if you want more tutorial on how you can keep your fussy hair, or how you can detangle it without crying like Rose. Okay, so don't forget, every type of hair is different. So mine is very hard, okay? So it needs a lot of product. It needs more moisturize. Like, I have to be moisturizing my hair, okay? So yeah, it dries so easily.